Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and with your board of judges. Here in front of you, 90 years of age sonner, taking a Bachelor of Mass Communication, major in journalism, studying at the most prestigious university, Adamson University. This night, please allow me to stand by the name of the one and only beautiful girl who holds the crown of Miss World 2008, Miss Janina San Miguel.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, special to our judges, good evening. And my good evening. My name is Heart Evangelista, representing Barangay Queensro, Mabuhay.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Standing in front of you is a 22 years of age standard, and a gay who always believed that it is not to diminish our humanity, but the main purpose living this society is to love and to be loved, respect and to be respected, to contribute and to be prosperous. My name is Aya Francine Fernandez, but tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name of the girl behind the scenes, Panaghoy sa Saba. And a girl who captured the heart of every man here tonight, the one and only Miss Juliana Palermo, saying that, bakla, bakla, charing, charing, baklang walang kwenta, baklang tambay. Ano man pong itawag niyo sa amin ang gabing ito, at kayo ay mga panauhin na. Maraming salamat po.
Designers are the gods, models play the part of angels in the dark. Which one of you would ever dare to go against? That beauty is a trade and everyone is paid.
Why do you close your eyes when you dream, when you cry, when you wish, and when you kiss? That is because the most beautiful things in life is unseen and felt only by the heart. A pleasant evening to each and everyone. My name is Adriana Finella Pediasis, 17 years of age, standing in front of you to show my capacity and ability, not to compete my co-candidate, but explore my beauty. And for this night, before I leave the four corner of this stage, I would like to leave this message. Food cures hunger, study cures ignorance. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the world of homosexual. This is Beauty from the Philippines. Friends, board of judges, and loving people here. What a perfect evening to me. I really appreciate whatever activities we're doing right now with the presence of my beauty. Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, I presently competing candidate with courage, faith, determination, and confidence. Judge, surely you will choose